Let me ask you a question. Have you ever gone fishing and after 5 minutes thought, yep, nothing's happening. This lake is a scam. So you pack up, drive to another lake, cast once, nothing again. Then you blame the weather, the fish, the universe. Now replace fishing with trading. And congratulations, you've just described 90% of traders. Today, I'm going to show you why trading is exactly like fishing, why most traders never catch anything, and what the profitable traders are doing differently. If you've ever overtraded, jumped from setup to setup, entered a trade out of boredom, this video is going to hurt, in a good way. Let's start with something obvious. If I want to catch fish, I don't go to a puddle, a random stream, or a fountain outside Tesco. I go where fish actually live. Yet in trading, people will trade random times, random pairs, random sessions. They'll trade Asia session breakouts, low-volume chop, or news candles that look like they were drawn by a toddler. That's like fishing in a bathtub and being shocked nothing bites. Profitable traders know their pond. They know what session they trade, what market conditions they want, what pairs actually move. They don't fish everywhere. They fish where it makes sense. Now let's talk bait. You don't catch fish with an empty hook, a shiny rock, or good vibes. You use bait that works for that fish. In trading, your bait is your setup. And this is where most traders lose their minds. They use 12 indicators, a strategy they saw on TikTok yesterday, something that worked once and never again. That's like switching bait every 3 minutes and wondering why nothing bites. Professional traders, they use one setup, one bait, tested, refined, trusted. They don't care if other people are catching fish differently. They know what works for them. Here's the most painful truth. Fishing is boring, trading is boring, and most people cannot handle boredom. You don't catch fish by casting every 5 seconds, moving spots every minute, splashing the water like a lunatic. Yet traders do this all day. Enter trades out of boredom, force setups that aren't there. Click buttons just to feel productive. Profitable traders wait. They sit there. They watch. They let price come to them. And yes, sometimes they wait hours for one trade. That's not laziness. That's discipline. Here's a lesson every fisherman learns fast. Not every tug on the line is a fish. Sometimes it's weeds, a rock, or literally nothing. In trading, not every move is a trade. Just because price twitched doesn't mean it's your setup. It's high probability. It's worth your money. Amateurs react to everything. Professionals filter. They ask, is this my setup? Is this my location? Is this worth the risk? If not, they do nothing. Doing nothing is a skill. Let's say you hook a big fish, but your line is weak. What happens? Snap. That's risk management. You don't. Go all in on one catch. Use thin line for big fish. Risk the whole rod for one moment. Yet traders will risk 10% per trade. Revenge trade after a loss, size up because this one feels good. That's not confidence. That's stupidity. Good traders protect their capital like a fisherman protects their gear. Because no line equals no fishing. Even the best fisherman doesn't catch a fish every time. Sometimes they get bites and lose them. Sometimes nothing bites all day. Sometimes the fish wins, and that's normal. But traders, they lose one trade and think, the strategy is broken. The market is rigged. Trading doesn't work. No, you just didn't catch a fish. Losses are part of the process. They don't mean you're bad. They mean you're playing the game properly. Fishermen remember where they caught fish, what bait worked, what time of day. Traders should do the same. If you don't journal, you're fishing blind. You don't know what works, what doesn't. Why you're losing. Journaling isn't boring. Not journaling is expensive. So let's wrap this up. Trading is fishing. You need the right pond, the right bait, patience, risk management, and the ability to sit still. Stop splashing the water. Stop chasing every move. Stop throwing your rod because nothing happened in 10 minutes. The traders making money aren't smarter. They're calmer. They wait. They execute. They leave. And when they don't catch a fish, they come back tomorrow with the same plan.